rice, some goat meat thingy,
Mutton.
mutton. I learned how to cook the rice with the beans and put the mutton inside the food. We are in the tent. Before we cook, we have to set everything up.
Okay.
I connect it to the gas. Then I try to check if the fire starter is working. It's very hot outside. When it rains, it's cool though. I start the fire by
Too much. Close.
when it's more,
Close.
I will do is turn on the gas too much. I will see it because it will be like I will explode because there's too much gas on inside the pipe and it might squish on the part and the gas will pop out of the pipe like this. Turning the gas on until it makes a sound like so I can hear the gas coming out. Then I do the fire starter and it pop out like when I accidentally hold the stove, I accidentally touch the
You know why?
kind of tilted the stove.
You didn't put it properly. You have to put it nicely. See this one? You didn't turn it, open it. Wait, fire. Oh my god.
If I don't balance the pot or stove properly, it might fall. It might be like, and all the water inside might pop. Or it might tilt and burn the pot. It's gonna burn a little bit of my hand, but don't worry, just my hair. That I can't see. Fire is made of heat, fuel, and even oxygen. We breathe. To start a fire, the fire cannot be near something burnable, like plastic and wood. If it's near to something that is flammable, it might get on fire. Hey, there's another bag. It's moving.
Is it?
Look on the top. First, I pour the beans into a little cup, put water inside and stir it, and the bugs pop out like and float while the bean is down here. Then I use my hand as a filter by putting it on the hand and pouring it down. All the bugs and the water will go away and the beans will be left under. I accidentally kick it. It spilled and become like water spreading out on the beach. So I have to be careful and I pick all the beans that get on the floor. I had to pick up the beans because the food is precious. After I pick it up, I wash it because of the dirt. I wash it again. I put water inside the pan and some rice. And then when the water started boiling with the rice, I put the beans that I washed just now in. Yeah?
But you can eat that
Edible.
box. It's edible.
Yep. Rice and the beans got almost cooked. I put the mutton in.
Cool. Yeah, is it? Yeah. Go.
Then I stir. When I cook the rice, I have to stir it too, so the top part of the rice got some heat too. Or else the bottom, this is the fire, and here's some rice on the top. If I mix it up, it will be like become together. If I don't stir, the bottom part will burn and the top part will be uncooked. Okay.
Yeah. Good. You need more
It
salt.
is a little. It's tasteless a little.
So you need to put salt. Take out the salt inside.
What? After that, I put some salt and pepper, black pepper. Spread.
Yeah.
Spread.
Then
This thing is very strong. It was yummy. I ate 2 plates of it.
is it nice?
Yeah, I liked it.
Enough?
I collect the water by using the tent as a water collecting thing. The tent is waterproof, so it's like this. The rain will just gather up over here. So I tilt this a little and the water will come out of the lower place. I can cook and work with the water for a very long time, like for 2 days. And also boil it and wait until it cool off and drink. So I can make my own drinking water. The water will boil when it gets near 100 degrees Celsius. I have to boil for at least 5 minutes. The germs will die when the water is boiled because it's not cold enough for them to live. They might overheat and die. Yeah.